And these
Good
are
morning, ladies and
papers I
gentlemen.
have.
A very big news is coming from the apex court of the country, the Supreme Court of India. A man calls himself as an advocate, enters the premise of the Supreme Court. He puts his case in the front of the judges. What he does next will shock you. While putting his case, he dictates himself as the sovereign. Next comes another thing. He directs the judges to do a particular task. Even the worse, what he does next, he uses some unpardonable words against the Chief Justice of India and blows all his documents in front of the bench. Now I will cast the light upon three matters. First, what course of action the judiciary has taken. Second, what were the circumstances of the man that entered the premise of the Supreme Court with such intention. Third, what has been the response of the institutions and what could be the possible replications in the lower hierarchy of the courts. First of all, the Supreme Court has taken a very sympathetic view, and as of now, they have expressed their opinion that they are not going to take any stern decision against the individual. Second, I don't know about the particulars and the circumstances of the individuals, but given his responses and given his body language and the expressions, there seems that there are the chances that he was dissatisfied with some course of action from the judiciary or the system. And third, what are the possible repercussions of Supreme Court taking a very light cognizance of such an act? Given the apex court, if faces such type of institutional destruction, it will lead to contempt of court. But since the highest court, the Honorable Supreme Court, has taken a very light cognizance of that, we must respect the opinion of the Supreme Court. But this institutional credibility will feel some sort of evasion. In future, if some sort of these instances occur again, someone will have the excuse that since Supreme Court has not taken a decision previous time, this could be another time that Supreme Court should not take. Next, if the apex court, the highest court of the country, feels such the heat of an individual, what are the chances that this will be repeated in the lower hierarchy of the courts? There are too much of the chances that this incidents will happen again. Therefore, Supreme Court has to take some unpardonable action, at least to the action that it could deter the future events. And last but not the least, I must salute the confidence of the man without disregarding the judiciary. Mind you, being an advocate of the High Court, when I enter the premise of the High Court and stand in front of the judges, I feel nervous and anxious. But that man, I don't know what sort of circumstances have driven that man to drive such an act. But yes, such level of confidence should not be used in such a disgraceful manner. Now the debate is open for public discussion. And what's the public discourse? What's your take on this incident? Please comment and join me for the future developments.